In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Tally. So with Notion to streamline your data collection process, whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or capturing leads, integrating these two powerful tools can enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up or log into your Tally.so account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, the sign up process is quite straightforward. Head over to Tally's website, click on the sign up button, and follow the prompts. You'll just need to enter some basic information to get started. If you're returning, simply log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new form. On your dashboard, look for the option to create a new form. Click on it, and you'll be taken to an intuitive form builder. Here, you can add the fields you need based on the type of information you're looking to collect. Whether it's text input, multiple choice questions, or even file uploads, customize your form to fit your specific needs. Remember, a well-structured form not only looks better, but also makes it easier for respondents to fill it out. Now, with your form set up, let's head over to Tally settings to enable integrations. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the integration section. Here you'll see a variety of apps that Tally can connect with, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Notion. Select Notion from the list. The next step involves authenticating your Notion account with Tally. This is an important step as it ensures that your data is securely transferred between the two platforms. A prompt will appear asking you to log into your Notion account if you're not already logged in. Once you've done that, allow the necessary permissions for Tally to access your Notion workspace. After successfully linking your Notion account, it's time to select the specific database you want to connect with your form. Browse through your databases and choose the one that aligns with your data collection needs. This will ensure that the data gathered through your form is organized exactly where you need it in Notion. With your database selected, the next task is to map the fields from your Tally form to the properties in your Notion database. This process essentially tells Tally where each piece of information should be inserted within Notion. Take your time to carefully align the form fields with the appropriate properties to ensure a smooth data transfer. Finally, let's test the system to make sure everything is working perfectly. Submit a mock entry through your form and then switch over to Notion to verify that the data appears correctly in your database. This is a crucial step as it validates that your integration is functioning as intended and that there's no disruption in data flow. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Tally. So with Notion, creating a powerful combination for efficient data collection and management. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel confident in utilizing these tools to enhance your digital workflow.